The Logtag is designed either with a detachable external probe sensor or a built-in internal sensor. To install the logger with an external probe, mount it on the wall outside of your equipment or door by using the wall mount bracket. Slide the sensor cable into your equipment through the door hinge. Fasten the sensor cable to a twist tie tape and gently tighten the cable by using a cable or twist tie. To install the Logtag with a built-in internal sensor, mount it on the wall inside of your equipment by using the Logtag wall mount bracket. For sample transportation, you may use protective enclosure to cover the Logtag before place it inside a cooler or ice box.